Hey everyone, if you are trying to install a plugin or theme in WordPress on your Mac and you are getting the error installation failed, could not create directory. Don't worry, we will fix this issue step by step using simple formation setting. No coding experience as required. So let me show first the exact error to once we installing the theme. So we will face this issue. Let me click on the theme installation. I'm gonna click on install theme, and here you will get the error could not create directory. Alright, so this one is the error and we will fix this error using a simple formation setting. Let me back to the application. So and I'm gonna click on ZIMP. Inside the ZIMP, I'm gonna click on htdocs. Inside the htdocs, I'm gonna click on my project name WordPress. So I'm gonna click on get info. So once I click on the get info, here you will see share and permission. Okay, and last you will see the lock icon. Now I'm gonna click on lock icon, and here I'm gonna put my password. Once it unlock, click on demon and apply the privileges to read and write, and also to everyone read and write. Okay, and then click on these three dotted, so action, and apply to enclose the item. So I'm gonna click on it and click on OK. Now privileges is assigned. So let me close this pop-up small window and open my project file. So I'm gonna click on open, and here you will see wp-config.php. I'm gonna edit the wp-config.php, and I'm gonna add the one line code at the bottom of this file. Okay, don't worry, I will provide this one line code in the video description. So now it's the time to save the changes. Let me save the changes. Click on save, and then back to the WordPress dashboard. Let's refresh the site to check if the error still exists or has been fixed. Okay, so now click on the install button. The installation has started. Just wait a moment. Great, the error is resolved. So I'm gonna click on activate. That's how you can fix the could not create directory error in WordPress using Mac operating system. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.